In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Welcome to Principle of Life series. Today's topic is value your time. Time is life. Every minute you waste is a part of your life that will never come back. On the day of judgment, one of the first things we will be asked about is how we spend your time. Use it wisely in prayer, learning, helping others, and remembering Allah. Do not let the time. Do not let time slip away. Rabbul Alameen says in the Holy Quran, وَالْعَصْرِ إِنَّ الْإِنسَانَ لَفِي خُسْرٍ إِلَّا الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا وَعَمِلُوا الصَّالِحَاتِ وَتَوَاصَوْا بِالْحَقِّ وَتَوَاصَوْا بِالصَّبْرِ. By time, indeed, mankind is in loss, except for those we believe, and the righteous deeds, and advise each other to truth, and advise each other to patience.